The dental industry is constantly evolving, advancing, developing. To be the best, you need the best. Stratasys Dental, because we leveraged 30 years of additive manufacturing experience with the best of 3D printing technology and adapted it for the dental industry, offering multi-material printing with extremely accurate parts. The world's first monolithic full-color appliances and next-generation DLP technology, featuring higher throughput, remarkable surface quality. We're pushing the boundaries of digital dentistry, providing GrabCAD print, an intuitive software platform, delivering a smarter, smoother workflow. Dental is our priority. We are driven by your need to keep production going. Stratasys, your partner for smart growth. Stratasys Dental, master the challenge.